Hi, in this video I will demonstrate how to install VirtualBox on a MacBook. Continue watching this series to see how to install and run Windows 10 on a MacBook using VirtualBox. People use tools like Parallels or VMware to set up a virtual machine on their Macs. VirtualBox is a great, free alternative to do this. Plus, you can install and set it up in just a few minutes. So without any further delay, let's get started. In search engine of your choice, search for VirtualBox and go to the download page. Select the latest version of VirtualBox for macOS. Click OS X Hosts, and the download will begin automatically. Once the download is complete, click on the DMG file, and wait for system to verify and open up the file. Once you see this screen, double-click on virtualbox.pkg to open the installer. System is now verifying and preparing to open the installer. Click Allow if you see a confirmation dialog like this. Click Continue to proceed through the installer. If you want to change where and how the VirtualBox application installs, click Change Install Location. When everything is the way you want it, click Install. If asked, type the password for your Mac. Installation is in progress. If you haven't given your Mac permission to install programs from Oracle previously, it's highly likely the installation will fail at this stage. To grant permission, go to Applications, System Preferences, Security and Privacy. Near the bottom of the General tab, you should see some text that says Software from Oracle America Inc. was blocked. Click Allow, and then reinstall. Note that this option is only available for 30 minutes after a fresh install of VirtualBox. If you don't see this text, open the Applications folder and drag the VirtualBox icon to the trash to uninstall it. Remove any leftover files, reinstall a fresh copy of VirtualBox, and then immediately reopen the Security and Privacy menu to see this option. Installation is now complete. Click Close, and Move to Trash, since you no longer need the installation file. To launch the application, invoke Spotlight Search by pressing Command plus Space on your keyboard, and search for VirtualBox. And here we have our VirtualBox application installed and running. Please watch the next video in this series, to see how to install Windows 10 on Mac, using VirtualBox. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.